Are you wasting tons of time trying to figure out what to post for your real estate business on social media? Maybe your posts are looking really stale and it's the same thing over and over and over again, and you're just posting listings. And maybe if you're on Facebook, those listing links are even getting removed right now. That's so frustrating. So, if you wandered across my Instagram profile and found my content about how to use ChatGPT, just like I'm showing you on the screen right now, on creating a content calendar for your real estate business, then you are absolutely in the right place. And if you didn't watch that video on Instagram, you're here anyway, and I'm grateful. So let's get started. Let's dig in. So when we look at this, we have a very simple prompt that is going to give you pretty great results. Obviously, you're not going to use my name, you're going to use your name in this particular prompt, right? So let's look here. So we have, as a real estate content creator for, fill in your name, real estate professional in, fill in your city, create 30 days of Instagram reels in table form. Table form is the key. Include the hook, captions, video footage ideas, and 3 to 5 relevant hashtags. Please always do a market update Monday every week. So in this example, I always want to do a market update Monday in my reels, looking at what we're doing. Okay. And then let's just scroll down here and look at what the output was. It's only going to be as good as the input, right? So that's why it's really important to make sure you put in great input such that you get great output. So when we look at this, it literally breaks it down starting with day one, and that's a Monday. So if I wasn't ready to start today, which is a Monday in my world, and maybe another day in your world, but if I wanted to start today, I could start with this video because it's a Monday. If I needed a little bit of planning time, I could plan to start next Monday. So just make sure that, like, if you are asking for something very specific and it tells you that you're starting on a Monday, just plan for that. So looking here, I have my hook, I have my caption, I have video footage ideas, and then it tells me the hashtags would be most relevant for searching. Looking at day one, what's happening in the Chattanooga market this week? Market update Monday, new listings, inventory trends, and what it means for buyers and sellers in our area. You could actually take this caption and let's just do this really quick. Let's say for day one on this calendar, create a Instagram reel caption optimized for views and engagement. Here are the bones for this caption. Okay, so then I could actually pop that in there, and absolutely, here's the caption. So now I have exactly what I'm going to be covering in the caption. So new listings, inventory trends, what does it mean for you, whether you're buying or selling? That's important to make sure that you cover what the caption says. So you're first starting with creating your content calendar. Then you're going to your first day and you're getting your caption ready so that then you could have an educated video, my goodness, about this particular thing that you're discussing. As you work through this, you're going to find that these are really high engagement strategy reels. And if you go through and work through it every single day, if that's what your one thing is, you're recording a reel about your business to grow engagement, grow followers, and grow connections, you will begin to see traction, I would say, relatively quickly based on the consistency, because consistency is key. Again, as a little quick recap, we used the magic prompt. We received 30 days of output. If you didn't want to do 30 days, you could do 7. Start with 7. If you do 7 in a row, do another 7, do another 7, do another 7, right? And then as you're working through these outputs and what you're actually wanting to post, you can have it curate captions that are very specific so that you have exactly what's going to match up with the video that you curate. If you'd like more content about ChatGPT, real estate, social media, and marketing, follow my channel. Would love to have you along the way on this journey. Have a great day, guys.